How to stay on Windows 10 without paying $30? Microsoft has two new options. Microsoft is backtracking on plans to charge people $30 to stay on Windows 10 and will instead offer them other, more affordable ways to remain on the OS and still receive security updates. The aging operating system officially loses support on 14th October, meaning Windows 10 will no longer get new features, bug fixes, and technical support. Initially, Microsoft planned to charge people $30 to participate in the Extended Security Updates (ESU) program, which would provide Windows 10 security updates for a year. However, in a blog post today, the company revealed users will also be able to enroll by submitting 1,000 points from Microsoft's Rewards program. The Rewards program gives you daily points for using Microsoft services, such as the Bing search engine or Edge browser. Downloading the Bing app alone gets you 500 points. In return, you can exchange points for various gift cards and other awards. 1,000 points is worth about $1. Hence, redeeming 1,000 Microsoft Rewards points to access the ESU is a bargain, but interested consumers must rack up points by using Microsoft services before October 14. Option 2. Use Windows Backup on Microsoft OneDrive. The company is also offering a second way to enroll in the ESU program without paying $30. Users can sign up if they use Windows Backup with Microsoft OneDrive. However, this will likely require paying for a Microsoft 365 subscription since OneDrive only comes with 5 GB of free storage, not enough to save all the data on a frequently used PC. Still, as Microsoft notes, these are additional free enrollment options for the ESU. The company didn't explain why it's making the change. But it's no secret that Microsoft's decision to retire support for Windows 10 is unpopular among some users. That's because older PCs can't access the free upgrade to Windows 11 due to the strict hardware requirements. The limitation threatens to cause millions of Windows 10 PCs to miss out on security updates come 14th October. StatCounter estimates that Windows 10 has a 53% global market share and Windows 11 is at 43%. Microsoft plans to release an enrollment wizard that'll let consumers sign up for the ESU program either through the backup option, submitting 1,000 reward points, or paying the $30 fee. In return, your PC will receive critical security updates, ensuring it's protected from any newly discovered vulnerabilities. Microsoft says the enrollment wizard will start rolling out for Windows 10 users in July before broader expansion in mid-August. Beta testers in the Windows Insider program can also gain access to the enrollment wizard starting today. ESU delivers monthly critical and important security updates to help you stay secure during the transition. However, it's not meant to be a long-term solution, Microsoft noted in the announcement. It doesn't include new features, non-security updates, design change requests.